Revolutionize your powder mixing with CSP's Double Helix Cone Mixer. Watch its unique W-shaped double cone design gently flip materials, preserving particle integrity while eliminating dead angles. Materials flow smoothly under gravity and mechanical force, achieving rapid, homogeneous mixing through continuous lifting, tumbling, and diffusion. Programmable rotation control, intelligent motor protection, and customizable automation with optional frequency converter, all engineered for precision. The spherical discharge valve ensures complete, residue-free evacuation. CSP, your comprehensive solution for powder and granule mixing. Visit www.cspmac.com!